Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the the last 15 days of January. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Virgos. We're starting with the Four of Wands, the Ten of Cups. That's beautiful. A beautiful energy to start with. Let's see. Wow. The Ace of Wands, the Page of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles. That's beautiful. The Nine of Pentacles. Wow, what is this? Three of Swords, Three of Wands. What is this coming up? The Six of Cups, Two of Wands, Eight of Swords. Very contrasting energy, and the Nine of Swords. Everything's so good over there. And what's this, Virgos? Let's see how it proceeds. So you're starting with a very beautiful relationship over here, Virgos. You started with a beautiful commitment, a beautiful family, and definitely new beginnings, a lot of passion over here. So there is commitment and family all around over here with the Four of Wands, the Ten of Cups, and here we have the Ten of Pentacles. So what's wrong? So we have whosoever you are dealing with, this is a very beautiful relationship, a beautiful connection. And what I feel here is that it is sort of, even maybe you people know each other since years, and maybe you are actually married and have kids, because we are starting here with the two people, then we have four, and here we have an elderly person also sitting there. So that is also the vibe which I am getting. So it is maybe actually dealing with a family who is staying together since years and have children and even seniors with them. Anyway, but this is a scenario which I'm getting very strongly. So anyway, what I feel here is I'm talking to somebody who is actually in a committed relationship since many years. That's what though it may not be that for everybody, but yes, for some of you definitely that is there. So with the Four of Wands and the Ten of Cups and the Ace of Wands. So here, for the others who are not, I'll just talk in general, okay? So definitely with the Four of Wands, Ten of Cups, and the Ace of Wands, what I feel here is you are having a new beginning for a commitment and a family, if that is on your mind and that is on your cards. So that is what you're planning for, or that is you are actually through right now, or this is what you expect your partner to give you. So you are dealing with a relationship which is committed, or you want a commitment, you want a family, and you want a new beginning, and that is what you are actually getting. And I can see the radiance in this relationship. It's a beautiful relationship with the radiance all around. That is what I'm getting. It is a beautiful relationship. It is at least how it started off to be. And then we have the Page of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, and then the Nine of Pentacles. So what I feel here is, because I have to see what is this second line about, because here the energy has picked up from this second line, the Nine of Pentacles. What I feel here is, from the 10 to the 9, somebody is becoming single over here. So something is happening over here in this beautiful relationship, that the other person somebody is becoming single, and here it is being followed by all the anxiety and the tensions. So what I feel here is, it can be with the Page of Cups, it can be the energy of somebody else coming in this committed relationship or this family dynamics. Let me just give me a moment, because what I am getting here is that somebody is coming in and offering love to somebody in this relationship, that the family dynamics is getting disturbed or the relationship is getting disturbed, and somebody here is choosing to be single or is becoming single by default automatically because maybe the other person is getting swayed. Can be that. Because it is being followed by the Three of Swords, the Three of Wands, the two threes. Can be a third party, it can be a love triangle. We have the Six of Cups. Let me see the Two of Wands, Eight of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. See, what I am getting here is that maybe whosoever is becoming single over here for some reason, which can be a love triangle or treachery, some sort of treachery or heartbreak is there definitely. With the Three of Swords and the Three of Wands, what I feel is this person is turning the back from this relationship, going towards to their loved ones. It is a reconciliation, but I don't see it as a reconciliation with the person or the person which we had the committed relationship with. It seems to be as if this person is leaving the partner to their family or to their friends. It's something like that. So this person is, because of this heartache, this person is leaving this relationship, going to stay sort of with their family or friends. Family, I mean parents. Can be that. Getting very weird. And with the Two of Wands, here this person is trying to start a new journey for themselves. Though with the Eight of Swords, with the Nine and the Nine of Swords following it, there is a lot of anxiety, there is a lot of tension. It's not easy for this person to start the new journey or move ahead in life. So still they have not made a move. This person, though this person really wants to move ahead and have a new beginning in the life, but it's not so easy for them. The past is really taking a toll on this person, causing a lot of anxiety, sleepless nights. It's not easy for this person to move because of the happy times. Let me see if I really have anything else for Virgos. Let's see if I can. Anything else for Virgos, please? The Two of Swords had jumped out, which means taking a decision. Let's see. Okay, we have the Magician here, the Ace of Swords, the Five of Cups, the Five of Swords, the King of Swords, Four of Swords, the World, Ten of Swords. So same thing is in the Strength. Same message is there, and here has come up the Seven of Swords. So definitely there was cheating going on, some lies. Let's see, I've pulled out many cards because I just wanted to have the clarity of the situation. With the Magician, definitely a new beginning is there. Ace of Swords, having the clarity as to where to move, which direction to move. With the Five of Cups, yes, there has been, you are, and there has been that feeling, still it is there lingering, making you very, very upset. The cause was this Five of Swords, which is like manipulation, somebody cheating, fight, argument. King of Swords, somebody not investing, totally cut off, detached, really cutting off the relationship perhaps. Four of Swords, trying to heal the world. A new beginning is there, definitely. Ten of Swords, totally done with the situation, whatever it was. The Four of Cups, yes, from the five at least it has come to four. So I would say yes, tension and depression is still there, but yes, it's diminishing to some extent, using a lot of strength to come out of the situation. And the Seven of Swords, this is all what it was. As I said, it can be a third party, somebody not committing, somebody hiding, having secrets, not you really don't know the real picture, what's going on behind the scenes. Something is going on behind the scenes here. So let's see what is the message from this deck for Virgos. ultimately you have the sun card, which is happiness. So at the end you are getting your own happiness. Guidance from the angels for Virgos. Eight of action. There may be so much going on right now that it may feel overwhelming to you, and yet it's wonderful to be so busy with the work that you love. Express gratitude for the blessings for heaven that are taking up your time, even if the life feels challenging. If you're asked to travel and take a flight, then do so with confidence. So a lot is going on in your life. So if you are busy, then be happy. At least it is diverting your mind from whatever tension is going on in your life, Virgos. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.